Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my fashion box. I am so excited because I am in need of fall clothes so bad. I have all of my summer stuff. I have all of my winter sweaters ready to go. I need something to bridge the gap for me, so I'm hoping that it's in here. What Fashom is, in case you don't know, is a fashion styling service that, unlike the others, doesn't automatically send you something every month. You go in and you tell them when you'd like to be styled. It's that easy once you signed up, which is why I love it. I don't necessarily want clothes coming every month, so it works for me. It costs $15 to be styled, but if you buy anything, it comes off the price. Plus, your first $15 styling fee is waived, so you get your first box styled for free. You still have to pay for the clothes if you keep them, but the styling service is free. And if you use my link below, you also get a $10 credit off of your first purchase. So, let's get in here and see what I have gotten this month. We're starting up here and then we're going to move downstairs because I don't have enough room up here to show you guys the clothes that I have received. So with the box open now, on top I have my paperwork and the return bag, which is also whatever they send you that you don't want to keep, you just slip in this bag and send it back for free. You have 3 days to do it. That's the only thing. Once this comes, you have 3 days to make your selections and send back what you don't want. But it's free shipping to you and back to them. In your paperwork, you receive your invoice, which tells you the 5 pieces that you have received, how much they are, and then how much they will be if you keep them. Because with Fashom, if you only keep 3 or 4 of the products, you still get a discount. They still give you a 25% discount off even 3. And if you keep all 5 in the box, you get a 30% discount. Also, with Fashom, once you've gone in and requested to be styled, they will send you an email and you go to your account and they will have put up pictures of 8 different items for you to choose from, and you just pick the 5 that you like the best, and that's what they send. So I also like having a say in what's being sent. It's fantastic. And once I didn't love everything that they had selected for me, so I asked to be restyled, and it was easy peasy. They sent me 8 new items to choose from. It worked really well. So we have the invoice. I've just cut my address off the top that shows us what I have received. And then we have a card that says #BetterAsIam. Believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable. And on the back, it tells us everything I've told you already, plus, not quite a fit, enjoy free returns or exchanges. Using their prepaid mailer, return any items you do not want to keep. Shipping is free both ways. And if you need an exchange, you just email them and they see if they have the right size for you. Also, for each Fashom box sent, they donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue NYC Dog. So that's nice. And then I can just lift out my clothes, bundle, which I am ripping the heck, just trying to get out of here. And that is what it looks like from the side. I requested an animal print, and I see it right on top, so I'm excited to get in. Okay, so let's get into this bundle and see what I've got, and then we'll go try it on. This top is by Espresso. Oh, they sent me a 2X. That's unusual. I'm usually a extra large or a 1X because of my arms, but it does look a little skimpy, so that might be why. It's very pretty though. It has the crisscross front. And I am almost over that. We'll see how cute it looks on. And it has a pretty tie arm. I like this a lot. We'll see how the crisscross does up front. Ooh, I like this. This one is by Andre by Unit. It's a pretty blue, kind of a dolman sleeve, just kind of a t-shirt. I like that. The back has a back seaming down the middle. I don't know if you can see that. I will tell you about all of the fabrics and everything else when I try these on. Oh, this is a blouse. It's like a grown-up lady blouse by World Fashion. That's pretty. It looks huge. They sent me a 3XL. Well, maybe they know something about it I don't. So we'll try it on before we say anything. But it's very pretty. It buttons down. It fades to white with a little striped piece on the bottom. Looks like it's about a 3/4 inch sleeve. We'll see how that does. This is by Skies Are Blue. This looks huge also. I'm wondering if there was a mix-up in my sizing because these tops look huge. Well, let's see. We'll try it on. It is a, oh, I love the sleeve. Partway down the sleeve, it turns into a different, but it's very big. And I received the original Premier Ponte pant in a size 18. I'm a size 16, I think. And that says this is a 2X, and it's actually an 18-20. We'll see. You know, in a dress pant, I might like it a little bigger. But it's just a nice gray ponte, which I actually like. And it tapers down to a fairly pegged ankle, which I enjoy because in the winter, I wear booties a lot. And that's the best look with that. So I like these pants. I hope they fit. I love the feel of them. Okay, let's go ahead and go try these on and see where we are with the sizing. Hi guys, I am back and I have changed venues and I kind of like the top. Let me tell you what I know. I have on the Espresso Animal Print tie sleeve blouse. It is 98 poly, 2 span, and it is in a 2X, and I know why the girl did it, so 2 thumbs up. It is snug in the upper arms, and you know I have upper arm issues. The body fits perfectly. I mean, it's just a perfect fit in the body. I love these little arms with the ties, are so cute. And I actually kind of like this crisscross in this one. You know, I thought I was kind of over the crisscross, but I think I like it in this animal print. What do you guys think? It's cute, right? I wish it were a little longer in front, but it's pretty darn long, right? While I'm back here, let me tell you that I also have on the 151 jeans basic ponte pants. They are 68 rayon, 27 nylon, 5 span. I hope the math works on that. It doesn't, yeah, it seems right. And they are a size 18, and I am generally a 16, but again, I think they're perfect, if not a little small. I'm moving you down so that maybe we will generally wear tunic lengths. That's why I always choose a tunic length top. And the bottom tapers down nicely, and depending on what else I need in the box, I think I will keep them. Okay, let's see what's next. So I have on the Andre by Unit solid top with round neckline, and it does have a rounded neckline. It has sleeves that come down, and then you can see they're seamed there, and then they go to the elbow, which is exactly what I like in a shirt. This is 55 rayon, 42 poly, a 33 span, and it is a 1X, so it's a size smaller than the one that I just had on, and yet it's really big. It fits. I don't know. What do you guys think? It feels a little sloppy to me. What do you guys think? You think that's how I would want it to be? Nice and comfy like that? I don't know. Let's see. Also, I forgot to tell you a second ago that the Ponte pants are $58. I think that's reasonable for a Ponte dress style pant. And that espresso top is $49. See, I'm rounding. The espresso animal print is $49. This is $45. It's basically a poly t-shirt, so I'm not sure how I feel about this being $45 for a basic tee. I don't know. What do you guys think? You think it's just way too big? I'm here. Let me know. I'll be right back. Me again. 3/4 sleeves. They can be buttoned up. Let's see what else. This says that it is a World Fashion printed 3/4 sleeve top. $43. It is 100% viscose, and this is the one that is the 3X. They're plenty big in the arms, which may be why she was thinking that. It's the one that faded to the white circles, and then at the bottom it has a little bit of striping for accent. It's a decent length, but I don't know. The body on these seem really big. I mean, I'm losing weight, in all fairness, but this is a 3X, and I haven't been a 3X in 10 years. So I just feel like I don't know how to show you guys. It's just a really big top. Not my favorite. What do you guys think? I will be right back. Okay, and last but not least, I have the Skies Are Blue printed tunic top. It is 100% poly, and it is a 2X, and it is $44. In case I did not tell you, the shirt before this was $43. This is the one that I held up and I said, oh my gosh, that's huge. And thank goodness I was right. Because there is nothing worse than taking something to the fitting room like this is never going to fit. It's huge, and then putting it on and having it be perfect. No, this top is very big. It's pretty. I wish that it was my size. I love the sleeve, the way it breaks here and then kind of puffs out, and it's banded in 3/4, so it's easy to cook in, but this is a really big top, and unfortunately, I don't think it's meant to be because the way it poofs. So, it's a very pretty print, and it has a nice V-neck, and it has covered to match buttons and a little rickrack. I mean, it's a pretty top. Unfortunately, it is not my size. So, we had some sizing issues with this box. I can see she probably tried to work around. Some brands run smaller, some brands run bigger. Unfortunately, most of my clothes are too big. I have lost a little weight, but I haven't lost enough that it's changed my size in the system. Certainly not from an extra large to a 3X. I'm not sure what I'm gonna keep. I like the pants, but I don't love them. And if they were rounding out a 3 or a 5, it would be perfect. But just to keep them on their own, I'm not sure that I love them. So this might be my first Fashom fail. I hate to even say that because I have enjoyed it so much. I think last month it was a 3 out of 5. I mean, generally it works out really well, but this month the sizing seems to be a serious issue. So just for the record, they sent me $239 worth of clothes. And if I had kept them all with a 30% discount, the adjustment would have been $71.70, bringing it to $167.30. And then in theory, on top of that, I would have had my $15 come off. So I could have all of these clothes for $152. And that's a great buy. So I think what I will do is I will box it up and send it back and try again. I know this seems discouraging, and I don't want to discourage you guys from trying Fashom because, like I've said, I've done several boxes now, and I've always had really good luck. This one just didn't work for me. So let me know what you think below. Was I too harsh on any of them? Do they fit better than I think they do? Let me know. Thanks for coming by, guys. I appreciate you being here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will be back soon with another Fashom unboxing. Bye, guys.